Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you would like to see how I got these beautiful curls, make sure you keep on watching. Okay, so for this part of the video, I'm going to be showing you everything that you need to get some very pretty curls. But rather not everything you need, everything that I use to get some very pretty curls. So this is my hair from my hair company, Royal Extensions. This is the loose wave. It's my sister's hair. We have had this hair for, I would say, maybe 5-6 months, I believe, because it was 6 months. We got it in March and it's October now. And I just washed the hair and I put it underneath the dryer. I didn't do anything to the curls. I washed it and I conditioned it, and this is the hair after that with no product on it at all. It's still very soft, but we didn't come to talk about the hair today. We came to talk about the curls. And first off, I will start off by using a paddle brush that I got from the beauty supply store and just brushing it out. I will take my paddle brush blow dryer that I believe I got from Target. I'll put it in the description box below if it's on Amazon or anything. But this one is specifically from Revlon. I know you can't see it, but it says Revlon right there. And the speeds have just washed away on it, but it is low, medium, high, and I'm using it on high, I believe, and I'm just going to go in and blow dry to the point where the wet spots aren't so wet. So now it is blow dried. If you have a heat protectant, use it. I just don't have any heat protectant at the moment. So as you can see, this hair is still very gorgeous after it being 6 months old. Scrunchies that I get from beauty supply store. And I'm just going to section the hair off. I am using my BaByliss Titanium Pro. It's the black ones. I'll leave the link in the description bar below. But it's like a 2-in-1 basically. It gets hot on both sides and it has floating plates. I don't know what floating plates do, but it just has them. And it heats up from 300 degrees to 450. For weave, I pretty much keep it on the 410 one, so it's not so hot, and it doesn't cause that much heat, especially since I don't have a heat protector. And they heat up very fast, like within a few seconds, so it doesn't take that long. So just turning it on, you really can't see. Turning it on, it's on green, and then you keep pressing the up button on the side, and now it's on 410. And it only takes a few seconds to heat up. So to curl, the first thing that I would do is take my rat tail comb and I'll just take a pass through the hair. Now they're already heated up. It's still blinking, but the heat on there is still, when it stops blinking, that means it's done heating, but they heat up fast, so everything's fine. I'm just going to take my comb, literally, and pass through the hair like one time while it's still warming up, because I'm not trying to straighten the hair. I'm just trying to put some heat on it just to get it ready. Put the other section away or get it out the way. Use a smaller section to show you. Okay. So I take my comb and make sure it's combed out. I think I need to take my comb, just comb it out, make sure there's no knots in it. And I'm just gonna try to explain this the best way I can, because I learned from watching somebody else's hands. So my best advice is just to try to watch my hands. So I take it down a little bit and then I wrap it while you're turning the iron, and you bring it down a little bit and you turn it again, and make sure this piece is always flat, and you're gonna constantly keep bringing around this other piece while you're turning it, and constantly just sliding it down, holding the head, make sure you're not pulling it too much, and keep turning it. And when I get close to the end where most of the hair is through it, I hold it tight and wrap it back up and let it sit for a second. And then I pump it, I clamp it, and then you just bring it down. And you have a very pretty curl. You could twirl it different ways so you can get different types of curls. But this is pretty much the curl. This is the curl. I'm still practicing on my curls because at first I wasn't the best. Taking another section, pinning this up, combing it out. Taking my FlatIrons, bringing it down, putting the hair around it, and then you're turning it, and then you turn it again. And every time you turn, you need to make sure the loose hair is coming around with it. And you just keep turning. I wish I had a camera person so they can be right over me and record this, but unfortunately I don't. But once again, rolling it back up and holding it for a few seconds, because you have to remember that there's hair inside the barrel that is constantly being compressed. Just clamp it a few times until it becomes loose, and then you just bring it down. It takes a lot of practice. I did not get it on my first time, and some curls do look better than others, but this is sort of like the barrel curl. I haven't tried to do wand curls yet with these curlers, but I will try and see if I can recreate them. Just bringing it down, and it creates a curl. Showing you once again how that one string right here is left out. I'm going to curl this string separately. Taking my FlatIrons and literally doing the same thing that I did for the whole curl. And if you want to practice with little bitty curls like this, with little bitty pieces like this, you can. And it creates the same curl. And to bring it in, you really just wrap it around your finger and it's in the curl. Okay, so the curls in the back are done, and now it is time to move to the closure area. I like to work on the side that doesn't have the bang first. To work on the area with the closure. I believe my hot comb is now heated. I use my edge booster wax stick to lay down the track and lay down the part so everything is flat. It comes like this. To get it to focus, yeah. So it comes like this, and you can twist it up to make it more to show and less. So I just put some on the top where the hair is for starters. Then I part out really close to the track, where the track is at. I take a roll of hair that's very close to the track. That will do. Take the wax and put it down. Then you will hot comb it down. curls. I really wish I had some holding spray so you could have saw them, but I will insert pictures of all of my curls at the ends that I have done, and this is pretty much it. I would like to say thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and see you next time. Thank you.